Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the fake GPS location app on iPhone. It works or not. So let's get started. First thing first, search for a fake GPS app on the App Store, and some popular ones include fake GPS location and iTools. Once you have found the suitable app, download and install it on your iPhone. Some apps may require you to enable developer mode on your iPhone. This involves connecting your iPhone to a computer, opening iTunes, or some does not. Now, open the fake GPS. It will typically have a map interface where you can select the location you want to spoof. You might be able to search for a location or drop a pin on the map. Now, simply search for the location and drop the pin. Once you have set the location, activate or enable the fake location feature within the app. This will override your actual GPS coordinates with the fake ones you have selected. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.